Question pools. In the Pearson Learning Studio system, instructors are able to create online exams and quizzes. One tool you might decide to use is the question pools. A question pool is a set number of questions randomly drawn from a larger base of questions. For example, you might add 20 questions to your pool and then have the system randomly select 5 questions from the pool for each student. You can also use the question pool to randomly display the same set of questions. Question pools are an effective way to ensure that students see different questions on an exam, or at least questions in a different order. To create a question pool, click the Author tab in the navigation menu. Then click the Exam Content item. It is easiest to first create all the questions that will be part of a question pool. Once that is done, in the Add drop-down list, select Question Pool. If you know where you'd like the question pool to display on the exam page in relation to the existing questions, type a row number in the As Row box. Otherwise, the new question pool displays on the page next in line. Beside the As Row box, click Add. In the Number of Questions field, type the total number of questions from the pool that you want to include in the exam. For example, if you have 20 questions in the pool and you want each student to answer 10 questions, type 10. Each student sees 10 random questions drawn from your pool of 20 questions. If you are just intending to display the questions in random order, the number of questions to pull can equal the number of questions in the pool. Type a title for your question pool. Adding a title is optional. However, a pool title might help you organize your pooled questions. Click Add, and your new question pool will display on the main exam page. For the line that says End of Question Pool and End of Pool to Row, select a row at the end of questions you want to pool together. Remember, to randomize the display, you can make the number of questions equal to the number that will be pulled. If you are using a question pool and there is a question that you want all students to see, select the mandatory checkbox when you create the question. This checkbox only displays when your question falls within a question pool. One recommended practice is that ideally, all questions in the pool will be of the same point value. By mixing point values for questions in a pool, different students could end up with a different maximum points possible, which creates confusion for the student.